Our team coverage of the pandemic continues now. Florida will begin enforcing the government's vaccine passport ban next month. The Department of Health has officially published rules about collecting thousands of dollars from any business or government that requires customers to get a vaccine. Nick Papantonis live at the Amway Center to show us what to expect. Nick?
This is where Harry Styles will be performing in about a month from now. His promoter is using a workaround to keep the audience safe, either show proof of vaccination or show a negative test. Under these new sets of rules, only one company in Florida will be allowed to demand vaccines from their customers, at least for now. Florida's so-called vaccine passport ban is growing some teeth.
I think it's something that people have certain freedoms and individual liberties to make decisions for themselves.
Half a year after Governor Ron DeSantis said no business or government could require vaccines for customers, the state is expected to begin enforcing it. In a document published earlier this week, the Department of Health said notices would begin going out to anyone caught violating this law on September 16th. It called for $5,000 fines for each violation, but said people would have the right to appeal.
A lot of these are economic decisions to keep our businesses afloat and also prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Representative Eskamani called this rule a political witch hunt and pointed out that it doesn't fall in line with traditional conservative free market principles. We asked her if she knew of any business that would have put a mandate in place.
A lot of folks have been hesitant to have the conversation because they already see the state stripping away that opportunity.
Some are trying to get around the new rule. Concert promoters are increasingly asking for proof of vaccinations or negative tests. It includes the upcoming Harry Styles concert at the Amway Center. But one company is being given an exception for now. Norwegian Cruise Lines won a preliminary ruling against the law after arguing it was an infringement on the company's rights. It could cause the death of the regulation once the court battle plays out. But then there's the divisiveness of the very idea of a mandate.
I think we have to do it because this has to stop.
I feel like it just causes too much of an issue right now.
A new study by the National Restaurant Association found 32% of customers would be less likely to dine at a restaurant with a mandate. 33% said they'd be more likely, and 35% said they don't care. In short, as split as America gets, and a sign the battle is far from over. Is there as much fighting as there is here?
Not that much because it's not as a free country as is in here.
She was from Argentina. Now, we checked in with Governor DeSantis' team. He has not shifted his position over the last few months. As for Representative Eskamani, she did point out that a number of companies have shifted their positions on vaccine mandates for employees. Those are still going to be legal. Live in Orlando, Nick Papantonis, WFTV Tonight.